Welcome back to DAT Family 5. On this channel, you get cleaning motivation, DIY inspirations, and whatever I decide to vlog. Alright, my name is Atoya. I am a wife, working wife, mother, and entrepreneur. I am in school. I will be done in 8 weeks, praise the Lord. So we are going through some things right now. I have another 3 days before I start back the last leg of school for my bachelor's. I'm so ecstatic, y'all, so ecstatic. And so before we get there, my new space of studying and doing schoolwork is going to be in my lovely sunroom. However, there's this big clutter spot right here. This is a big clutter spot, and I can't think when I'm in clutter. And so the video before, what did I do? Y'all, what did I do? Oh, I finished up my little area in the garage for my beauty salon. I'm so ecstatic about that. Yes. So she is so cute, like little and cute. I don't need a big space. I'm just braiding hair. Like, I'm washing and braiding hair. That's all I'm doing. If you don't come washed and ready to go and detangled, then I can wash your hair, detangle your hair, and braid your hair. That's not a problem. That's cool with me. Like, that's really cool for me. So with that being stated, so now I have to move my desk from out the garage area where I was at into the sunroom. So that's what we're doing today. I am going to see what I can do with this little bit of stuff in here, and what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to throw away. I'm starting to my piling system. I've learned that ADHD people have piling systems, so I'm starting to pile things up to get into my car to either go to the dump or to the DAV down the street. I don't shop at that DAV. I don't shop at the Goodwills that I donate to. I don't. That's just something I don't do, because if you because then you want to buy the same thing back. It's just, no. So that's just me though. So I'm gonna go ahead and get through this stuff here, because we kept saying we're gonna do this and do this and do this. However, no, it's time for this stuff to get out of my house. So that's what we're working on. So I really hope that y'all enjoy. I know this is a pretty much long intro. They're not supposed to be more than a minute. This is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So let's get started.
Yeah, I'm moto. I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something, rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough of it.
Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we stayed together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. With us, nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just say it to my face. Say it to my face. Think about me. Are we thinking this through? Are we thinking this through? We know it could be. If you're not in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and just go find some courage. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Oh, I got to know. Are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Have we changed so damn much? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about me. Are we thinking this through? If we're not meant to be, and you're doubting in me, tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Go find some courage and go find my face. Say it to my face. If you think about me, are we thinking this through? Thinking that we're not meant to be, are we thinking that tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd leave without a trace. Some courage, go find some courage. Say it to my face.
So the rest of this stuff I don't need to throw away as of right now. What I will do is go ahead and put everything away where it belongs, and then I'll be back and try to get this pew out, because I don't want the pew anymore. Let me look at the calendar. If it is just a pickup, nope, it's green and blue. All right, so we have, so anything that needs to go out bulk can go out. That way I won't have to take it to the dump. It just get picked up by the bulk people. So I want that to go out there because there's no purpose for it. And some other things. So That's what I'm working on. All right, so I'll let y'all know when I get over here to clean this up, and then we'll be back.
Slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so divine. Don't you for lying, you know even try to. Nobody can match you. Don't you for life, sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Ella no la quiere, 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 quiere. Ella no la quiere, 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 quiere. Body moving, quiere, 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 quiere. She can do it, quiere, 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 quiere. Ooh, yeah.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table round. Oh, they saving us in for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known. I should've
Okay, you guys, thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is oh so precious. For we are the family that love life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for coming in and spending time with us as we switch over from garage to salon and sunroom back into the office. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, and we will see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Be blessed.
known.